Hello students, today we will continue chapter 9 Tongue and Teeth of class 4 EVS. Yesterday we have discussed about taste buds of tongue, and today we are going to talk about a teeth. We would not be able to bite into an apple or eat a chapati if we did not have teeth. Teeth help us to chew so that it is digested properly. They give shape to our face and also help us to speak clearly. Now let's talk about structure of a teeth and parts of a tooth. The crown is the visible part of a tooth, this upper part that we can see. Okay, the white enamel that covers the teeth is the strongest substance in our body. Enamel here you can see. It is the strongest substance in our body. Dentine is a bony tissue forming the bulk of the teeth of a tooth. It is present below the enamel, means this portion is dentine. Okay. The root anchors the tooth to the jaw bone. These are the roots. As the root of a plant anchors the plant to the soil, likewise this root anchors the tooth to the jawbone. It fixes the tooth to the gums of ours. Old people often lose their teeth and use dentures. Dentures are the artificial teeth or false teeth. Have you noticed that old people who have lost their teeth develop hollow in their cheeks and are unable to speak clearly? Remember, when you lost a tooth, you too sounded different. See, you can see this picture. This is denture or artificial teeth. Okay, so in a lifetime, human beings lose their tooth twice. First, when they lose their birth teeth, they are known as milk teeth. Okay, and secondly, when they grow old. Now, types of teeth. During our lifetime, we develop two sets of teeth. The milk teeth appear in a baby's mouth when he or she is a few months old. There are 20 milk teeth in all. You can count your teeth. These gradually start falling out to be replaced by new teeth. The second set of teeth that appears to replace the milk teeth are called permanent teeth. An adult has 32 permanent teeth. These last a lifetime if we take proper care of them and eat a proper diet that is rich in calcium and phosphorus. And if we lose these teeth, the next teeth doesn't comes again. So you need to use a denture like this. Okay, teeth are of four kinds. The grinders in our mouth are characteristics of all adult members. Now we are going to discuss various types of teeth. Okay, so first, biting front teeth that are called incisors, and they are 8 in numbers. This is the picture of incisor. Now the next is tearing teeth that is known as canines. They are 4 in number. This is the picture of canine. Cracking and crushing is the work of premolars, and they are 8 in numbers. This is the picture of premolars. And finally, grinding work is done by the molars, and they are 12 in numbers, and this is the picture of molar. So these 4 kinds of teeth we have in our mouth, and the total number of an adult's teeth are 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 12 is equal to 32. So we have 32 teeth in our mouth. Okay, now we are going to discuss how we can look after our teeth and tongue properly so that our teeth will not get damaged. Okay, we should follow some good habits to keep our tongue and teeth healthy. So what is that? We should brush our teeth and clean our tongue in the morning and at night every day. It is compulsory to clean our teeth twice a day. We should not eat very hot food or we may burn our tongue. You may have experienced when you drink very hot milk or you eat something that is very hot, it damages our tongue, it burns our tongue. We should change our toothbrush every 2 months, and we should go for a dental checkup every 6 months. And whenever in daytime also you eat something, you should go to clean your teeth. It is not compulsory to use your brush, but otherwise using simple water you can clean your mouth. Okay, when we do not eat our when we do not clean our teeth and tongue properly, bacteria can collect in the mouth and keep multiplying, and it damages our teeth. Bacteria can eat through the white enamel of the tooth and form holes or cavities in it. If we want to protect our teeth, we should be very careful of what we eat and drink. Food items such as cakes, chocolates, pastries and sweets should not be eaten too often. Means you should avoid these food items. We should rinse our mouth properly each time we have such food items. Means whenever you eat these sweet things, you should rinse your mouth using water. Okay. Now, what is the correct way of brushing teeth? We should brush our teeth in the correct manner. We should move the toothbrush from the gums towards the edge of the teeth. This will help remove the dental plaque, means the dirt that deposits on the teeth. We should move the brush back and forth gently in short strokes. The chewing surfaces of the teeth need to be brushed with horizontal moves. Finally, we should spit out the toothpaste and rinse our mouth with clean water. Okay, so these are the pictures of some brushing movements. See, like this you can brush your teeth nicely. So in the next video we will discuss about various eating habits and teeth of animals. We have discussed teeth of human beings in this video. Thank you and have a nice day.